back to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review a set of Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones from Vankyo. I've already opened these. I've also charged them and used them for a few days just so I could let you know how they're working for me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We really enjoy your comments, likes, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Alright, so this is the box. On the back it talks about the active noise cancellation, the unbelievable premium sound, clear and crisp audio calls, and a comfortable fit. Here, the nice pouch it comes in. Inside you're met with the headphones. They're nice. I do like the color. They're very comfortable. They are adjustable as well, so if you have a fat head, you're fine. And on the inside, it does tell you which ear goes on which side, so that's always helpful. It does come with your charging cable, micro USB charging cable. It does offer quick charge as well. That was very helpful when I was charging these. I really wanted to use them and they charged pretty quickly. You also have an adapter to plug your headphones in. These are wireless, but you do have the option to wire them in if you need to. Always a great option just in case you like that. You do have another little carrying bag here, a nice pouch to keep in your backpack, maybe to keep away from children. We have the user manual here. This is going to tell you exactly how to pair it to your phone. You can pair it up to 2 Bluetooth devices at once, and everything, the overview and all, is found in here. This is also a customer care card. Just in case you have an issue, you can easily access them by email. Alright, so I'm going to put this away. So these headphones right here, as you can tell, right now they are wireless, but I did mention they can be wired as well. They are foldable, as you see here. You can place them down flat, and extremely portable. They pair to your phone, they pair rather quickly, and have a wireless range of 33 feet. And I did already mention that you can also connect it to 2 Bluetooth devices simultaneously. So I'm just going to show you how to pair them briefly. I am no tech expert, so I have just going along with the instructions. You do want to turn them on. There's a power button, a volume up button, and a volume down button on the side. You can also turn it on and off A and C. So I'm just going to turn them on, and I'm going to listen for it to very clearly say power on and then ready to pair. There's a red and blue light flashing along the side. Not sure if you can see that. But then we're going to go to our phone, and right there, popped right up on my phone, was the stereo 750. So just make sure you connect to that and you will have your headphones paired. And now they're paired. On my phone in particular, it also tells me that it has 100% battery charge. Depending on what phone you have, this might let you know as well. Alright. Just a few other things about these headphones is that they have a long battery life. They also have fast charging. They have 30 plus hours of playtime per full charge at Bluetooth mode, and 10 minutes of charging for 2 hours of listening. That's incredible. Just imagine you're running behind, you want to plop these on the charger right quick. You already have some time to listen to it. These headphones are active noise canceling, so they block out background noise and allow you to enjoy your listening experience without distraction. Just imagine you're on a plane, maybe on a bus somewhere. These are going to be great to cancel out everything behind you so you can listen to your music, you can play your game, whatever you need to do. They block about 90% of background noise. So, it's going to be a nice listening experience. It does have a built-in mic and control buttons to allow you to take calls even in noisy environments. So maybe you are a gamer. These would be great. If you want something comfortable and you want to be able to talk to your friends on Discord. Very great features. One thing I really, really like about these is the ergonomic design. They're very comfortable. I have a pair of JVC headphones. The only issue I have with them is that after a while they squeeze my head and it's very uncomfortable. These have memory foam protein earpads that completely cover your ears and reduce pressure. So it's a very comfortable experience. I've enjoyed wearing these when I'm listening to music. It makes a difference when you're trying to keep to yourself. The sound is really great with these. They have a hi-fi stereo sound with deep bass and are equipped with 40mm dynamic drivers. You're going to have a great sound with whatever songs you are listening to, whether it's metal, maybe classical music. It's going to be an enjoyable experience. So what I like doing is pairing to my phone, and I put on my Spotify playlist that lets me listen to any type of music I want. And it sounds great. So I'm really, really happy with these headphones. They're the best ones I've used in a really long time. Make sure you check the description section below to get more information and find a link to the product. We appreciate your likes and comments. Thanks for watching.